If you're looking to create a USB bootable recovery media on Windows 11 without installing any extra apps, here's exactly how to do it, step by step. First, open the official Windows 11 download page on your browser. Once you're there, scroll down to the section titled Create Windows 11 Installation Media and click the Download Now button. This will save the media creation tool onto your device. After the download is complete, double-click the Media Creation Tool.exe file to launch the utility. And yes, you'll need to click Accept to agree to Microsoft's terms and conditions. Now, here's a quick tip. If you're doing this for another PC, uncheck the box that says Use the recommended options for this PC, and make sure to manually select the correct language and edition of Windows 11 that matches the target system. Once you're ready, click Next. Now select the option that says USB flash drive, and click Next again. You will then be prompted to choose the USB device you want to use from the list of available drives. And remember, the tool will erase everything on that drive, so make sure you back up anything important before proceeding. If your USB drive isn't showing up in the list, no worries. Just hit the Refresh Drive List button and it should appear. Select the correct USB, click Next, and then finally click Finish, and let the tool do its job. It will now download the necessary files and format your USB flash drive to become a fully bootable Windows 11 recovery media. Once the process is complete, you'll have a recovery tool in your hands that can help you access the Windows recovery environment, reinstall the operating system, or even restore a system image backup if you're replacing your hard drive. This built-in method is fast, reliable, and doesn't require any third-party software, making it ideal for anyone who wants a clean and secure way to recover or reinstall Windows 11 in the future. Having this kind of USB drive ready can save you tons of time and stress during a system failure or upgrade, and it's something every Windows user should consider setting up today. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more practical, easy-to-follow tech content, only on TechVerse.